Hello guys, welcome back. This is Chibake once again at nandito po tayo ngayon sa Ichinomiya 130 Tower. This is the first tower in Japan, the 130 Tower in Ichinomiya. So it's 100 meters above the ground and nandito tayo ngayon. Tingnan natin, ikot tayo sa loob ng tower. Okay, we're at the top view now. Yes, that's the top view. This is the top view of the tower. Okay, ikot natin ngayon ang top view ng Ichinomiya Tower. Here. And this is very nice. Yeah. This is 100 meters above the ground. Okay. And makikita natin ngayon this is the bridge from Ichinomiya and Gifu. Yung separate ng bridge lang siya. And that is, ito papakita natin ngayon ha. So ayan yung tinatawag. That's the bridge here. That's the one, that's the bridge. The bridge na nagsiseparate from here is the Ichinomiya and the other part here is Gifu. Gifuken, and this is the Ichinomiya. So, ayun yung bridge na pagitan, the river, ayun yung pagitan na yan, ayun kalahati, ayun. Dito yung Ichinomiya, and the other part, pag tumawid ka na ng tulay, Gifu part na siya. So, ganyan yung bridge na nagpamagitan. At ito yung 130 tower na tinatawag, Ichinomiya Tower na 138. Okay, so, ikot pa tayo, explore tayo. So, pag nakikita niyo, it's 100 meters below, above the ground. That one. Here. That's above the ground, 100 meters above the